Nothing has happened, no movement has happened. No. And the slope is stable because of this. So that is what we are trying to say, that some localized failures are there. Once it reaches the top, we close it, then nothing will happen.
So now what about the second half? Now till where you are going to remove the...
So till this thing, basically what we are going to remove the shape. Now there was some overhang on this portion and this portion.
So, but you will be able to see on the photograph what you have that it is balanced.
It only, so that is, everything is connected, interconnected. But we have to rectify this slope has been stabilized with the anchor. So there is no issue in terms of slope stability, which is the main concern of ours, that slope should not come down and it should not fall.
सर आपका काम चालू था यहाँ पे, suddenly all these things happened. What is the basic reason, and was there a calculation error or some kind of mistake?
No, sir. Basically, if you see, if we have done work in a stretch of 100 meters, out of that, the only distress, or you can say some movement, has happened in the fascia in the 10 meters portion. Rest all is, everything is fine. And we have completed this fully, like you can see the anchors, the slope is stabilized, there is no movement in the slope. Slope is completely stabilized with the technology that we have used. Only the facing part has moved because of some localized pressure or something, and that the water has gushed from the top. If you would have closed from the top, this incident might not have happened. This is what prima facie we can see.
No, but when you are saying that the water is gushed from the top, it could have flown in a regular way, it could have affected other areas also. How come only a part of it has collapsed?
That is what I am trying to say, that it has happened only in a localized this thing, not in a total this thing, or else the whole of the structure would have been affected. The affected portion is only 10 meters, so prima facie what I can say is that some localized pressure have come, that we are trying to investigate and get it rectified.
So, but when works happen and we have so many IITs involved and a portion of it collapses, so how can people trust the other part of it?
That is what I am trying to say. It is not collapsed. It is only a certain movement of happened at the bottom, which has caused this to do this thing. It has not collapsed. You can see the slope. It is still stable. The only movement that has happened is the fascia part.
So, but when such things happen, how sure are you about the other part that are intact as of now? What happens to those works?
That is what I am saying, that if it would have happened, it could have happened in the whole stretch.
But how do you say that it could not happen? It will not happen in the future.
You can see, you can show to the camera also that it is still intact, nothing has happened. That is what I am trying to say, that some localized pressure has come over here which has caused this thing.
So the day before the collapse, this was also okay, but then now...
Even if you see, this is a flexible fascia. So it's not like your concrete retaining RCC wall. Like if it collapses totally. It gives you an early warning sign that it is going to move or some movement is happening, which it has done its work basically.
So what happens to the project? Extra expenses or?
No, I think, sir, it is under a DLP, defect liability period. So it's our responsibility. There is no extra expense. It will be done in the same cost part.
So additional time will be required. A little bit.
Additional time, little bit of additional time is required.
So now who is the responsible for this now?
Responsible, so
this
basically torrential rain has come, sir, so localized flow of water has come. So that's that's under nature's this thing. That's not in our hand to say like how it is. We are investigating it totally. That some localized pressure it has come, so we are going to mitigate it in the next.
Basically, the entire topography, the work was done because it is a landslide-prone area. So how do you?
You see the critical
how
portion.
How you change the situation?
Done this thing in a very this way. It has still not moved. Everything is in place, but the portion that has gone, maybe because of some localized failure or something, that is what I am trying to say.
Sir,
team leader.
okay.
In NHI, the works are executed by the team leader. He has a team of engineers. And McAfee is a special expert who has been brought over here. Now, what has happened is, had rains not come and he had to reach the top, there would have been no problem. Unfortunately, because of this orange alert, yellow alert, what we have got, and even in PIU Honavar near Karwar, some landslides have taken place. Some landslides have taken place in Kolhapur, in package 1, in Ratnagiri, and some in PIU Hassan and in Kerala also. That because I don't know whether God is punishing us or what. You know, such sort of rains are not expected. And even in May, first time, from May 15th onwards, it started raining. Had it not rained, we would have finished the top 2 years and there would have been no problem. Once he had to reach the top and the final layer would be put a concrete disc, there would have been no problem. Now what has happened, and they have taken this out. Initially this has not fallen, this has been taken out because of this heavy rain, that filter media which is there, that small mud, which was there, it seeped and there was a bulkhead. So we told him to take out everything. They have taken it out. You can show the photographs what he did.
No,
The initial
Now,
bulkhead.
Puttar Babu, what the basic thing is that amongst all the restoration works that were taken across.
Before bulging and before bulging.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the photograph
Yeah,
we have
and
already
this-
reached, and that
this
is
is
after
the-
bulging that
This is the
Sunday midnight that happened. This is Sunday midnight we have whatever.
So he has taken out everything.
So this
We
is
made
the
him
continuous
take out and do
rainfall
this
from 15th August to this
orange alert. Very,
orange
very
alert
heavy
is
rain.
there. So due to some water local bodies were this only fascia is failure, not the slope is failure.
The slope
Now
is
you are
heavy.
blaming the
Now
rain.
we are
Huh?
going to investigate what sort of we can
We are
do
not
there,
blaming
and
the
we'll
rain.
strengthen.
You are blaming the rains
No,
now.
no, no. We are saying basically because of rain, some mud and everything
Mud
has
and-
come
This
in
can
that
happen
Sir-
tomorrow also, no, the same thing.
No,
sir,
once he
that-
reaches the top,
once
it
he
will be
reaches the
packed.
top,
No, but when you're taking up works, Puttar Babu, it is very simple that the factor of rain would have been considered because it was the monsoon. Obviously.
No, but see, what has happened is these torrential rains which are there were not this.
Sir, but you
Heavy-
started
heavy
work in the
No,
rains
no.
only, no?
No, we started before rain, but rains came early.
It will
we
come.
We wanted to finish it. And now after the rains are over, you come and see nothing here.
No, but what guarantee is there, sir? Now see what happens. Till Sunday it was okay. It only collapsed when it collapsed. So what happens next to other portions? What guarantee is that it will not collapse now?
So there is a defect liability period of 5 years as per the tender contract.
No, that is technical, sir. जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो टेक्निकल है फैक्टर. अगर
सर
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ
आगे
अभी
गिरेगा क्या नहीं गिरेगा? आप
नहीं
गिरेगा तो
गिरेगा,
आप ब्लेम लेंगे क्या नहीं लेंगे? क्या रेन पे बोलेंगे आप इतना ही बोलिए सर. आप क्या बोलेंगे?
देखिए DLP है, कुछ भी गलत होता है, we have to do the rework and get it rectified. That is what we'll be doing it now. It's a very unfortunate event that this localized failure has happened. But जो भी होगा, it is under our contract to rectify the whole system and maintain it for 5 years. That's all I can say to you right now.
सर आयज हांगा एक लँडस्लायड तुमी काम घेतलें गोंयचें पयलें आनी बरें क्वॉलिटीचें पूण खंय तरी बॅड लक पडलें सगळें आनी लोकांक आतां एक दुबाव मारता मनान फुडें हें पडटलें काय ना तूं एज अ आमदार कितें सांगूंक सोदता ते म्हणटा पावसाक लागून पडलें म्हणटा तुमचें कितें हिशोबा
पळय जे काम गव्हर्मेंटान जे IIT गुवाहाटी यांच्या अंडर दिलेले सो आमी अशें ना कितें इट इज अंडर द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस इन्स्टिट्यूट इन इंडिया IIT गुवाहाटी म्हणटा ती सो अंडर त्या सुपरविजन हे काम चलतलें आनी आयज हे सगळे जाण हांगा आसा जे टीम लिडर आसा मॅकाफेरीचो टीम लिडर आसा मागीर मॅनेजर आसा इंजिनियर आसा डिझायनर आसा सगळे जाण जेणेन कोणेन हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेतलेलो आसा जे MD इन्फ्रा तेजो ओनर हांगा येयलेलो आसा मागीर महेंदर राणे जो टीम लिडर आसा जे सगळे सुपरवायज करतात तो हांगा आसा सगळ्यांक आपयलाय सो हे बेजिकली दीस पीपल आर सिट्युएटेड एट मुंबय सो तांकां फोन मारल्या उपरांत ते काल सांजचे पावले आनी आयज हांवें इन्स्पेक्शन दिलें कित्याक 2 दीस जाले आतां इन्सिडंट जावन सो तेज्या लागून टायम लागलो कित्याक बाबा ते मुंबय आसले तांकां इमिजिएटली आपयलो आनी ते पावले हांगा तसोच जो ओनर आसा जो हेजो आमचो MD इन्फ्राचो तोवूय कोल्हापूरचो तेकावूय हांगा आपयला सो तांकां सगळ्यांक घेवन आयज आमी इन्स्पेक्शन केलेलें आसा खंय तरी एक वायट गजाल घडलेली आसा आनी बिईंग अ लोकल MLA येस आय टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक हांव खंयच धांवना, कित्याक हें काम जे आमी फास्ट ट्रॅकाचेर घेवन हें कंप्लीट करपाक लागून घेतलेलें इनिशिएटीव घेतलेलें, सो तें स्टार्ट जालें, बऱ्या भशेन काम जातालें, बट काही कारणाक लागून हें जालें. तेजो ब्लेम घेवन ना, बट एक तेंच्यांनी एश्युरन्स दिल्लो आसा हांगा, तुमकां मिडियाक सांगलेलो इट इज देअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विदाउट एडिशनल कॉस्ट नासतना वॉट एवर वॉज द टेंडर अलॉटेड अर्लियर त्याच टेंडराच्या एमावंटाचेर ते काम करून घेतले. इट इज देअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो एडिशनल कॉस्ट हेजे भितर जावपा ना. पर्सनली सुपरवायज इट. आमच्या मदीं बाकीचो फुर्तादो बाप आसा जो हायवेचो आमचो हेड आसा, सो ही इज ऑल्सो विथ अस. तेका हांव मुद्दाम आफयलेलो आसा, कित्याक हे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्या अंडर येयल्या कारणान, कित्याक हो टेंडर जो आसा तो आमचो स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान करना, सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्या अंडर तेंच्या अंडर काम दिल्लेलें आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसतालें की बऱ्या भशेन एक काम जाता, बट काही कारणान जे तेंच्यांनी एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलां टेक्निकल, आतां टेक्निकल ते खूब कितें सांगूंक शकना, बट लोकांक रियलिटी जाय. तुमी जशें म्हणटा लोकांच्या मनान एक भंय जावपाक नाका, कित्याक फाल्यां तो पार्ट कित्याक पडपाना काय म्हणून जे तुमी क्वेश्चन करता. म्हाका खंय तरी दुबाव आसा, बट जेन्ना येदी व्हडली प्रेस्टिजियस इन्स्टिट्यूट जेन्ना हे हेड करतालो म्हाका दिसता असो आमी दुबाव घेवंक शकना. आनी म्हाका खंय दिसता तेज्या लागून हांवें मुद्दाम PI आमचो मुर्मा गोवाचो तेका हांवें आत्तां फोन मारून आपयला हांवें, कित्याक म्हाका खंय दिसता की हेंचेर इन्क्वायरी जावंक जाय, हेंचेर एक कंप्लेंट फायल जावंक जाय, FIR जावंक जाय हेंचेर. सो हांवें PIकूय इन्स्ट्रक्ट करपाक सोदता कित्याक बाबा हेजेर रिजन कितें आसा तो फायंड आवट करुया म्हणून. एक कंप्लेंट करूया, फाल्यां जाय पडली जाल्यार आय वील टेक द इनिशिएटीव. हे कंपनीक ब्लॅकलिस्ट सुद्दां करपाची जबाबदारी हांव घेता. फाल्यां जर हेंच्यांनी बरोबर काम करूं जाल्यार आय डोंट हॅव एनीथींग सिंपथी वर म्हाजें कितें तेंचे लेन देन ना. जे तेंचे कडेन काम आमकां सेंट्रल दे मायट बी एट सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट, आफ्टर ऑल इट इज पब्लीक मनी, लोकांचे पयशे. कित्याक हांगा जे एलिगेशनां करता हे करता तेजे लोकांक तो फूल अधिकार आसा, तेंच्यांनी करचो, ते प्रॉब्लम ना. बट म्हाजे हांगा एज अ बिंग अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन, एज अ MLA इट इज माय ड्युटी, बाबा आय टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. कितें हे चल्लां तें म्हाज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन चल्लां. सो आयज म्हाका पूर्ण विश्वास आसा आनी तेज्या लागून PIकूय आपयला, कित्याक ती फॉर्मेलिटी फुडें करची म्हणून. आनी गरज पडली आनी तरी पासून म्हाका खंयचरूय डावट येयलो काम सारकें जायना, कित्याक टायम टू टायम एन अगेन आय वील बी इन्स्पेक्टींग दीस. आनी खंय तरी दिसलें जाल्यार काम जायना जाल्यार आय एश्युअर यू बाबा हांव ते कंपनीक सुद्दां ब्लॅकलिस्ट करून दाखयतलो.
सो तुमी इन्क्वायरी बसयतले हाजेर? इन्क्वायरी तुमी बसयतले?
तेका लागून PIक आपयलेलो आसा हांवें मुद्दाम, कित्याक हेज्यात लागून इतलोच न्हू आमचे एक्सिडंट प्रोन झोन जाल्लो आसा, तोवूय म्हाका कन्सर्न आसा. कित्याक आयज लोकांक हांगा एक्सिडंट जाता, लोकांचे जीव वयपाचो एक भंय म्हणटा तो सदांच म्हाज्या मनान आसता. तरी पासून मागीर आमी कलेक्टराक रिक्वेस्ट करून गॅबनांक रिक्वेस्ट करून इसून थंयसर आमी जो आसा तो ते लेन ओपन केल्लेली आसा. सो वन वे अप टू रवींद्र भवन आसलो तो थंयसर आमी हे करून बॅरिकेड्स घालून थंयसर बाबा धाकटो हे केला. आतां वन वे स्ट्रेच फक्त इतलोच आसा, सायन बोर्ड सगळे घातलेले आसा. तरी पासून फुडले आनी कितें प्रिकॉशन घेवंक जाय ट्राफीक सेफ्टी लागून तेवूय हांव घेवपाक रेडी आसा, बिकॉज आय एम ऑल्सो मोर कन्सर्न. आयज म्हाका लोकांची लायफ म्हणटा ती इम्पॉर्टंट आसा म्हाज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीची. हेज्या लागून आयज मुद्दाम तांकां सगळ्यांक आपयले, नाजाल्यार हांगा कोणूच नासलेले. हांगा असलेले ते फक्त काम करपी आनी तो टीम लिडर तेंचो, तेजे सुपरवायझर. हे केन्ना विकांसून एकदां येता सगळे चॅक करतना वयता. सो आयज तांकां मुद्दाम आपता ही तुमी जे पर्यंत जाग्यार पडना तुमची जबाबदारी तुमी हांगा रावंक जाय म्हणून. सो तांकां आपयला आनी तांकां हांगाच दवरतलो हांव, जे पर्यंत सारके जाग्याचेर पडना ते पर्यंत. ती म्हाजी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आनी आय टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. तुमी म्हणटा अशें कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, हांव घेता रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिंग अ लोकल MLA. म्हाजी जबाबदारी, कित्याक आय हॅव बीन ते फेलियर न्हू, हांव खंय तरी फेल जाला. कित्याक येते व्हडले एक रिकॉग्नायज इन्स्टिट्यूटाक दिवन सुद्दां अशें जावप म्हटल्यार एक खंय तरी म्हाका भंय जाला कित्याक फुडें आनी कितें इन्सिडंट जावचो म्हणून. सो अंडर माय सुपरवायजन आनी अलॉंग वीथ अवर लोकल वी वील सी दॅट द प्रॉपर वर्क जे आसा ते फुडले ते बऱ्या भशेन काम जावचें.